Ali was a poor boy. He lived in a small village with his family. His father was a worker. His mother stayed at home. They did not have much money, but they were honest and kind people. Ali was a good boy. He always helped his parents. Every morning, Ali woke up early. He cleaned his house and helped his mother. After that, he went to the market. He worked there to earn some money. He carried bags for people. Sometimes he cleaned small shops. People liked Ali because he was honest. One day, Ali was walking on the road. The weather was nice and the sun was shining. While walking, he saw something on the ground. There was no one there. He slowly opened the wallet. Inside the wallet, there was a lot of money. There were also some cards and papers. Ali was very surprised. He said, "This is a lot of money." For a moment he thought, "This money can help my family." His family needed food and clothes. Ali felt confused. He sat down and thought deeply. Then he said, "No, this is not my money. My parents taught me to be honest." Ali stood up and decided to find the owner. He went to the market. He asked people, "Did anyone lose a wallet?" Some people said no. Some people did not listen to him. Ali did not give up. He kept asking again and again. After some time, he saw a man sitting near a shop. The man looked very worried. He was checking his pockets again and again. Ali went near him and said, "Sir, are you okay?" The man said, "I lost my wallet." Ali asked, "What was inside your wallet?" The man said, "There was money, my ID card, and some papers." Ali smiled. He said, "I think this is your wallet." Ali gave him the wallet. The man quickly opened it. He saw everything inside. He became very happy. He said, "Thank you so much, my boy. You are very honest and kind." Ali felt happy and proud. The man said, "Please take this reward." Ali said, "No, I do not want money." The man smiled and said, "You deserve it." He gave Ali a small reward. Ali thanked him politely. Then Ali went back home. He told his parents everything. His parents were very proud of him. His father said, "You are a good boy." His mother smiled and said, "Honesty is the best thing in life." Ali felt very happy that day. He learned that being honest is always right. Moral: always be honest, even when it is difficult.